Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the battery in one of these Dell XPS 133960s. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So first of all, you want to shut down the computer. And shut down now. Yep. And we can flip it over. I gotta get my screwdrivers. Okay, so you've got the screwdrivers and all the other stuff that we need, and now we need one of these screwdriver bits to unscrew the bottom cover. Never mind, we need the other one. Okay. Just undo all the screws. And one more Phillips screw right here. I'm not sure if that's holding down the bottom panel. Yeah, I think it is. So now that that's all the screws are undone, you can just lift up and unclip the bottom panel. That was easy enough. And here is the battery right here. So you want to do all the screws holding in the battery. So I think we have a total of 3 screws holding it down. Am I correct? I think so. No, 4. There's just one hiding underneath the battery. But anyways, we can we can unplug the battery and we can just lift it out of place. Okay, and that is our battery. This battery does need to be replaced. It's really unreliable and it doesn't always work. Sometimes it shuts down after being plugged in for like 15 million hours. So yeah, just undo that screw. So now that you've gotten your new battery, you can just put it in, making sure to line it up with the screw holes, and just plugging it back in. There we go. Now we can stick the tape back down. Okay, now we can screw the battery back down. Okay, so now that the battery is screwed back in, you can just put your bottom cover back on. And now you can just screw the cover back on. That one random Phillips head screws. Just screw these screws back in. This is a really good laptop, portable one. This one just needs a new battery, and then it'll be up and running. Maybe a new CPU fan, because that one's that started to act up a little bit. Sometimes I forgot what it was called, but sometimes it's louder than usual. Like the motor is loud. Just finish screwing down these screws. There we go. So now we can open the lid again. I actually have a USB-C cable right here. Okay, I guess my 60-watt Apple charger doesn't work with this PC. Yeah, I don't think it works with this. It's putting too much. Let me just check. So the input is 100 to 240 volts. And I think the output, yeah, is around 60. So it won't work with this computer. But anyways, that's basically it for this video. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and check out my Twitter at ufelix5, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.